Hello everyone, welcome back to Edu Vibrant. I am Sumaja. In the previous videos, we have talked about Python basics and how to install Python and PyCharm. In installation, we installed IDE PyCharm and interpreter IDLE. So, let's start with basics IDLE. For that, type Python, then you will get IDLE Python 3.8 icon. Click on there. Then you will get this prompt. You can type your code here. So let's start with Python coding. Here I have done some basic arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So in division, look at this example, 8 divided by 2. Then you will get the result 4.0, that is in floating point format. Next 5 divided by 3, then you will get 1.66667. That is in also floating point format. If you want only the integer part of the result, then you should use double slash instead of a single slash. 8 double slash 2, then I got the answer 4. In next example, 5 double slash 3. Before I got 1.6667. Here I got only the integer part, that is 1. Okay, let's move on to strings. In Python, we can simply print strings by the use of single quotes and double quotes. Another way of printing the string is by the use of a print function. For that, the syntax is print, open bracket, and inside the quotes you can type your string and bracket close. Then you will get the result. The string is printed without quotes. You can print also like this. Okay. If you want to print a string, in that string contain a single quotes like this. Here I have printed Sumaja's mobile by the use of a print function, but I have a single quotes within this string. Okay, so I got a syntax error here because in Python single quotes have a special meaning. So we have to remove the special meaning of single quotes. We can remove the special meaning of a single quotes by the use of a backslash. You should use a backslash before the single quotes. In this example, I have used a backslash before single quotes. Then my string is successfully printed. Next one is concatenation of two strings. We can concatenate two strings by the use of a plus sign. Here I have concatenated two strings by the use of a plus sign, then I will get the result like this. If you want to print your strings multiple times, then you can use this code. Here 2 star Suma, then it will print the string Suma 2 times. Look at another example, 3 star Suma. Then this code will print the string Suma 3 times. And in Python, there is another special character, that is /n. That means new line character. If you want to print your string in new line, then you can use a /n. Okay, here I have used print Suma new line student. Then the student will be displayed in new line. Okay. Here print 3 star Suma. So the string Suma will be displayed 3 times. In this statement, I've used a new line. So the string is displayed in new line. After each string, a new line is displayed. Okay. So this is the use of print function. We can display our string by the use of a print function. Okay everyone, this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, please subscribe EduVibrant and press bell button to get notification. Thank you.